This is Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle, and I'm going to show you how to install Morimoto XB taillights on your 4Runner. What you're first going to do is just remove this little plastic piece right here. How you do that is with a flathead screwdriver. You're just going to wiggle it in right here and then pull, and it will just pop right out. You're going to remove these two nuts, one on the bottom and one on the top. You do that with a 10mm socket. And then we're going to remove this lower one down there. And now we just remove the second one. And then we're just going to unplug this right here. You just compress that plastic piece right there and then pull it out. And then now we're just going to grab the tail light and pull it out. You're going to hear the clips unclip. Just pull towards you. And it pulled right out. So you're just going to grab the tail light. Going to peel this back a little bit so it doesn't get snagged. And then we're just going to feed these wires into the bottom hole right here. And then push until that clicks into place. Then you're going to plug this right into there, and now the light is ready to go. Now we're just going to screw those nuts back on the bottom and the top. And we're done. Just going to peel this off. That smoked housing looks super good. And you can actually run these sequential, or you can run them not sequential. So if you're looking back here where we just were, there's a plug right here. And if you have it plugged in, they're sequential. And if you unplug it, they go back to non-sequential. If you want to purchase a set of these, we have them on 4runnerlifestyle.com. I've got a link in the description that will take you directly to the product. We always have these in stock with fast shipping, so check them out.